What's up, my Milans? It's your girl Tiana, and I am back with another live video. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm actually going to be installing this long, very long braided the braid knotless braids wig. It's actually a full frontal. I created this wig like a year, 2 years ago. Yeah, I created this wig 2 years ago, and child, lace wear, but it wasn't an easy installation because this is my first time doing this. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below if you guys want to see more installations, because child, imama malibele man. Nje. Like I have mentioned by the title of this video, this is actually my first time doing. The moisturizers, the oil, and everything from my forehead so that I can put the glue and it can hold for a last. And it just, I want it to hold. I'm going for grip. I'm going to be using my Ghost Bomb extra long hold, okay? Extra long hold. Ciao. I got this for like 40 rand. I got it for 40 rand at a cosmetics store. I actually used to use Got to Be Free Spray, but I guess Got to Be Free Spray works more on transparent lace, like very thin silky lace. My lace is not. It's not silky. You guys will see because I did not even put a wig cap or anything, but you couldn't see a thing inside. A lot of people was asking me like, how long did you stay for this hair? It just looked amazing. But yeah, I went ahead with my rectail comb and placed that glue on my forehead. I used a lot. Like I said, I'm aiming for a hold. I've tried to install this wig a lot of times and it didn't work. So it didn't work with Got to Be Free Spray. So I used a lot. I'm not taking any chances. I used a lot. And I went ahead and pasted my wig on the glue while the glue was not dry, like a bit closer to dry, because I don't know. I just heard somebody saying that it gives you a lasting hold. Like let them dry together. It gives you a long hold. I don't know. But yeah, that's just what they said to me. So because this is a very, very long wig, I had to pull out the first braids of the front. It had edges, but I had to remove them because I wasn't feeling the type of edges. I don't know, because I customly did this from braids. So the edges wasn't giving natural, they were giving braids and synthetic. It was really hard to lay them. So I had to just let them go. So putting the first line of the wig, look at that. This is after a 30 to 20 minutes dry, my first blow dry, and I used a cool setting where I felt it was needed, but most of the time it was like on a warm-ish setting because I felt like, I don't know, I just needed it to dry faster. Okay, don't judge. And as you guys can tell, with my first laying, it did very well, but I just had to fill out the gaps at the sides to make it hold last longer, and so it can give what it's supposed to give, you understand. I had to go again on the sides, and as you guys can tell, the side where I have bangles, I kind of overlaid that wig. I didn't do my measurements real good because the lace is kind of like a bit dragged to that side more than the other side. That's why I had to style the way my hair was styled on the first time when I did my intro. I had to style my hair like that because I was trying to cover that side. Okay, we all make mistakes. Okay, it was my first time. Now I've learned. The second time I'm gonna be laying this, girl, you better watch out.